Okay, so let's take a look at another example. I've got the integral of x squared times sine of x dx. Okay, so here I have, I can't do this one using integration by substitution, so that at this point leaves me with a integration by parts because I'm multiplying these two functions together. So that's a pretty good hint. So if I want to do integration by parts, I need to pick a value for u and dv. So remember, you pick u, try to pick u, so that when you get the derivative of it, it's simpler. So that means that I'm going to choose x squared because when I get the derivative of that, that equals to 2x dx. And that's simpler than x squared, and so I feel like I made a good choice there. Now for dv, I'm going to pick whatever's left over, in this case sine of x dx. And the only thing, remember, you need to make sure is that you can actually find the antiderivative of that. In this case I can. It's negative cosine of x dx. Sorry, no dx. Okay, and so then you just apply the formula. So the formula says, okay, that this integral is equal to u v minus the integral of v du. So here's the minus, so I'm just going to make this into a plus. So plus, and I'm going to take the 2 outside. 2x cosine of x dx. Now you'll notice that this integral right here, whereas last time I was able to find it, this one, I don't quite know how to do that. But you do notice though that you've got another product, but the degree of the original one was 2 and this one is now 1. So one thing that you might think is, well, can we do integration by parts again? You know, pick another u and another dv. And the answer is absolutely. So I'm going to pick u to be x, dv to be cosine of x dx. And so then du now is going to be just 1 dx, and v is going to equal to sine of x. So then what I have for my integral is negative x squared cosine of x. That's this original guy right there that I'm not changing. And then plus 2 times, and then applying the same integration by parts again. So I'm going to get u times v minus the integral of v du. So sine of x, and du is dx. And you'll notice that this one that's an easy one. So then in the end, one last step for mankind. I get negative x squared cosine of x plus 2x sine of x. Don't forget to distribute that 2 here. And then this guy, the antiderivative of sine is just negative cosine, so this is going to be plus 2 cosine of x plus c. And that's that.